Welcome, you are watching Defense Web TV, your daily gateway to the latest developments in defense and security across land, air and sea. Ukraine's first naval FPV drone strike revealed as footage show boats targeting Russian offshore platform. On July 29, Ukraine's main Directorate of Intelligence released archival footage documenting the country's first use of FPV drone launched from a boat during a naval raid in the Black Sea. The operation took place on September 11, 2024, off the coast of Crimea and was conducted by the Raven Group, part of the GUR Special Unit.
Since the beginning of the war, Ukraine has become a testing ground for drone warfare, particularly through the extensive use of modified first-person view drones for precision strikes against vehicles, fortified positions, and Russian military equipment, operated in real time via onboard cameras. These systems enable short-range attacks with high accuracy at minimal cost. The operation, conducted on September 11, 2024 off the coast of Crimea, marked a shift in the use of these drones. For the first time, FPV drones were launched from high-speed boats in open sea conditions, without proximity to land-based infrastructure. The mission, carried out by the Raven unit of the Timur Special Unit, targeted the Petro Hodovanets offshore gas platform, also known as Crimea 2, which has been under Russian control since 2014. According to Ukrainian military intelligence, the drones struck Russian firing positions installed on the platform, resulting in both personnel and equipment losses. The operation also led to the downing of a Su-30 SM multi-role fighter jet from Russia's 43rd Separate Naval Aviation Regiment, which was operating in the area at the time. The platform targeted is one of the former Boyko rigs, built by Ukraine before 2014 and later seized by Russia following the annexation of Crimea. Designed for autonomous operation for up to 30 days, it can accommodate up to 120 personnel and functions as a forward-deployed strategic outpost in the Black Sea. The use of loitering drones in this maritime setting significantly broadens Ukraine's tactical options. It combines naval mobility, asymmetric warfare, and adaptive technology in a domain traditionally dominated by conventional systems. This operation reflects the evolving nature of combat dynamics in the Black Sea, where drones are now used as integral tools in strategic engagements.
Stay with us for a daily update on key developments in defense and security. And don't miss our end-of-the-week summary, where we break down the most important stories across land, air and sea.